WaterMaster Sprinkler Timer Instructions. WaterMaster is a brand of lawn sprinkler by Orbit, whose product line also includes timers, valves and accessories like sprinkler heads. Having a sprinkler system on a timer is a convenient way to keep your lawn looking healthy and thriving. The WaterMaster Sprinkler Timer includes features that allow you to automate your lawn watering so you don't have to worry about remembering when to do it. Slide the rotary dial to the time/date selection and use the plus and minus buttons to set the correct time of day. Press enter when you get to the right time. Select the year, month and date. Write out a watering schedule on paper to map out which days and at what times you want to water. Move the rotary dial to cycle start times and choose program A or B. Select the time of day you wish the watering to begin for start time 1 with the in buttons, and hit enter. Choose the time of day you wish watering to begin under start time 2 if you want additional watering times. Use the in buttons and hit enter again. Continue to enter times if you wish more watering to be done. All stations are started with each start time entered. Turn the dial to zone duration and hold the OR button to set the time for 1 to 99 minutes. Press enter to set the duration, and then continue to set durations for each zone in the program. Press next to skip over any specific zones. Move the dial to day of week and hit enter to choose which days of the week you want watering done. Press next to skip one. Choose program B to select specific intervals between watering days. Slide the dial to watering interval and use OR to set the number of days between each watering session, then press enter. Hit next to specify odd or even days for watering. Move the dial to auto when you are finished programming the device.